Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
I'm gonna film this spot. This is all bamboo, so we're gonna walk around it to the other side a little bit. And basically what they do when they construct things is they use the bamboo, and yeah, no climbing right there. Okay, so we're gonna go underneath, and basically they'll climb it, but the way that this is scaffolded, it's kind of interesting because doesn't really look that climbable for one. And then up here too, like you wouldn't really want to walk on that. It's definitely, it says no climbing, and it's not secure at all. So, but it looks like it's been there for quite a while, so it's an interesting piece. If anybody wants to explain what this is built like this for, so it looks like they're, looks like it has another purpose, but usually it's for scaffolding. So usually they'll go even very high up, and they'll climb these little bamboo poles. But this looks so weak. The foundations look so weak, and it's already quite bent. And the first one is way up there, so it looks like it's designed not to climb. Anyways, so kind of interesting spot.
Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado da movimento.